today I'm working on a lining for a Christmas stocking. Colleen asked me to post a video on this, and I want to let you know that my videos aren't perfect. I just hope I inspire you to do your crafts, and I don't have a fancy sewing machine or anything like that. I do most of mine with hand sewing. It's just something I enjoy while I'm watching TV, and my grandkids just absolutely love these stockings, and they don't come with a liner, so I make my own liner. So I iron the fabric, and then I'm going to pin this stocking to the satin material. I like the satin because it feels so good and it always looks great, and it washes really easy. And I have my material, with the right sides together. And I'm just going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut this about a 1/2 inch bigger. I hope you can see what I'm doing okay. I have the right sides together, and I'm cutting it with the stocking that I'm making so I get the direction right, because I'm going to sew this together, and then I'm going to, after I have my stocking done, I'm going to stuff it right in here, and then I'm going to make a top for it. I can show you some of the ones that I've already done. I get so much enjoyment doing these. And then you can see on the inside how lovely and smooth it is. I have so much fun doing these stockings, and my grandkids absolutely love them. Here's one I did a few years ago for my granddaughter Athena. And I'll show you the lining's so nice and soft. And then their little fingers don't catch on the felt. And I make each one a little bit different. I don't want to have the same exact measurements on each stocking. Makes it individual to the person. This is one I did a long time ago, and it doesn't have the top. I'm going to make her one. I'm going to put some white satin or red satin up here, and then she wants an owl on there. But this is before when I was first learning how to do the stockings. I just did a white liner for her. And this one is, I want to say 16 years old. So, you know, you can see that it really, really lasts. And it's well worth your time and effort. She's going to have this for life and enjoy it every single year. I save the leftover scrap materials for crazy quilts. I do a lot of those for my grandkids as well. So I've cut out the lining, and then I'm going to hand stitch along here, and then I'll come back and do another video for the cylinder or the top of the stocking, like this one, because I actually make a cylinder, and you've got to make it to where you can either fit it over the top of the stocking like this, or tuck it in. This year I made it to where I could tuck it in here, and then I could also attach it over the top of the lining of this one. Okay, I hope you enjoy my videos, and I hope you have a wonderful and blessed day.